what am I doing tonight? I'm actually working on something. Doing a little bit of work. Not much. Not much. But I'm taking this flat bar, which is this piece right here. Taking this piece, and I'm going to try to find a tape measure. I think it's an 1/8 inch thick. Yeah, it's 1/8 inch flat bar. Use the tape measure to verify. Just a standard tape measure. And what I'm doing is, I think I need it. If I remember correctly, I need it to be 1.5 inches. I got to cut out 4.5 inch little pieces, little pads, so that I can take this bolt here, which is just, or nut, sorry. This is the bolt, it's the nut. Anyway, I'm the nut, it's the bolt, or whatever. Anyway, I gotta take this little thing right here. I'm gonna make a 1.5 inch square of this. I don't have any 1.5 inch flat bar. I should probably check before I cut this up, as I'm pretty sure I don't have to use a 1/4 inch. I might have 1/8 inch, 1.5 inch. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a, basically make a square on here, 1.5 inch. I'll drill a hole in the middle, a little bit bigger than this. Then I'm gonna weld the nut around it, probably inside the hole. Then I'm gonna weld it on the bottom so I can then screw this inside the kitchen bench that I started like months ago, and I've only been doing a couple hours a night. So let me check my scrap pile. I know I have all kinds of stuff here, and I actually sorted out all the small little pieces, so I know there's really tiny pieces there, little tinier pieces over there, and there's like little odds and ends over here, and there's a pile of shit over there. So stay tuned. I don't have my mic. I forgot to charge it again, but I got my handy little pocket rip mic. So stay tuned. Oh, and I have a chili stain over here. I always bring takeout of my shirt. So stay tuned. I'm gonna clip this video next one. So stay there. Keep watching. Folks, it's me again. Down here somewhere in this junk pile, I might have a piece of metal. See, I could cut a piece and plate like this. Now what I want to do. Yeah, I got all kinds of rods and bars, and I don't know what the hell this is doing out here. That's bigger pieces. I feel like I'm gonna lose a finger here. I know, flat bar. Yeah, let it go. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh, maybe over there. See, if I look up here, of course, see right there, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Which, is that 1.5 inches? See, I keep little pieces like that. This might work. Ooh, 1.5 inches by 2 inches. Got 4 of them. This might work. Let's cut it down. Yeah. I don't know what I was going to use these for, but that should work. So anyway, I have, I don't know if you can see with my head in the way, in my luxurious junk pile behind here, I got 4 little dangerous little pieces already cut. I could just leave it stick out a little, but I don't want to. I'm going to cut it all 1.5 inches. So let me get back to here. I'll draw a line, and we'll keep roaming around here. So put that over there, and let me move the camera. Because I'm a stickler for getting stuff in me, I'm just going to deburr this real quick. Okay, there you go. Just take some burrs off it. Actually works pretty good, this thing. I just don't want to get maimed too much. There we go. Come on. I picked up this one too for doing holes, deburring. Just looks like a mean one. Wait, wrong one. Just want to take it out basic. Take some of this crap off, just so I don't. And I'm gonna. There's always got to be vice grips involved. Let me just close this up here. A little piece of metal there. It's gonna get ground off anyway. So yeah. Sorry about no mic. I forgot to charge it up. See, this isn't too bad. This is, oh, sorry folks, this is not vice grips. These are El Cheapos. Oh no, the horror. Anyway, they're luck employers. See, this one's a little better. Right now, they're basically finger slitters. These things. I don't know how many times I've had metal shavings in my hand. Oh, it sucks. So, and for years I didn't even notice it existed until a couple of years ago. I always used to use the grinder over there and just deburr it the old-fashioned way with either sandpaper or a file. But this makes quick work of stuff. The other problem I have with deburring stuff is it falls down on the floor and goes in my shoe. I end up carrying the crap home with me. That's why I want to get a, what do you call it, a pair of shop shoes. Yeah, this isn't good. Come on. A little piece of naughty and nice off there. Okay. Ta-da. Hold on. I have a extra, this is the Milwaukee one. I have another one somewhere. I don't know where I put it. Anyway, I'm going to use this piece right here. And I'm going to go like this. See if it's straight here. This is my, looks like it's full of dirt. It's full of dirt. All right, let's see. Straighten this out on there. I'll just go like this. Draw a line. X on this side. Doesn't have to be precision because I'm going to grind the hell out of it. I'm going to cut this off or grind it, whatever. I'll use my fancy bandsaw over there. I got a, if you're new to my channel, I got a super deal on the Wen bandsaw. They're not rated as the best, but like I said in a previous video, I don't use that thing every day, so it's perfectly fine for my needs, occasional use. And I got two of them, so. And even then, I still got to finish making the. I was gonna make a jig go on the wall, but I want to make a tabletop one instead. I want to make a stand for it, set up right. So now let me cut this off, and I'll probably turn the camera on just let you watch me cut it off. So stay tuned, keep watching. Hello folks, I'm gonna cut those little pieces of metal here. And one of the good things my bandsaw has is a little foot pedal. Of course, I really should clean the place up before I attempt anything like this. Alright, I'm gonna try to cut this on here. So I know you can't really see, but I don't have my tripod. I'm actually gonna get a stand for over here for this bandsaw. So stay tuned. This honestly is so much easier than using a cutoff wheel. I don't know why I didn't buy a metal cutting bandsaw years ago. Probably because I was broke. What I need is a little pushy bar here. Anyway, I basically cut 4 of these little pieces to a very similar size. Actually, they're kind of like this. Basically like that. Well, now I'm going to use the grinder and round off the corners. So you don't really need to see that, but I'll show you in a minute. So stay tuned. Hello, folks. It's me again. It's me again. It's me. Millimeters. What the hell am I doing with millimeters? I gotta measure this. This should be... That'd be perfect, but it's this. And this one. What I like about measuring stuff on metal and scratching a line in it is when you go back to it and there's like 4 million. You don't realize there's 4 million scratches on it. You're like, what the hell one is it? You have to go back and remeasure shit because I just go like this. Put it on top of something so I can just go like this. Just trying to get a line there. So now, okay, this won't even work either. Now we can go like this. Just trying to find a center in here. Or somewhat center. Is that right? Is this correct? Inch and a half. It's roughly correct. Almost. Almost. Let me do this 50 million times. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, but you know what? That's how my life is. Line here. Line there. I'm pretty sure I ordered one of those center finders, but the only thing is it's only, I think it's only good for wood. I think I only have a center finder for circular objects, so that one's done. Which one's easier to see? Which side is easier to see? Go this side in, go. Oop, it moved. Isn't very exciting, but this is what we do sometimes. This is some of the boring shit that people do in the garage. It's not boring, to me it's fun. It's like I spend all day at work looking at dealing with humans and all kinds of other shit. It's nice to just be able to dabble in your own thing. Especially like, you know, some of us build cars, some of us work on houses, some people do all kinds of stuff. This is my get away from lifetime. So there, that should work. Now this is kind of sloppy. It's kind of okay, but it's not. It's fun getting old. You got glasses and you're like, where the hell's the goddamn line? Where's the line? That one's done. Anyway, if you can't hear me, I apologize. I forgot to charge my mic at work. It was a busy day. Lots of customers. Time went by pretty quick. It's always better when you get a lot of customers. Time flies. When there's no customers, it's like somebody in another dimension is like playing with your mind when you don't have that. Now we need a center punch. A hole punch or some kind of punch. Uh-oh, there's that thing I lost. Need a hammer. I'm using a hammer, Arco. Using a hammer. Holy crap. There, dead center. Baba booey. I don't know. See, here's the thing. I don't know why I'm doing. Yeah, one's not even center. Shit. Oh, well. Doesn't have to be perfect. Be nice if I can get it perfect. Would be nice. Come on, get in there. Doesn't really have to be perfect because I'm probably going to use my Roper Whitney punch and pop 4 holes in here. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll continue this video even more.